How to earn money from Facebook. Have you ever wondered how many 100 miles you have scrolled on Facebook? Okay, stop. I know you can't calculate your aimless scrolling on Facebook, but you can calculate your earning from Facebook accurately. You must be doubting whether you can earn from Facebook. Yes, you can. In 2022, this is possible in many ways. Facebook is actually paying millions of dollars to content creators and marketers. This has become a necessary of time for Facebook to pay creators if they want to survive in the emerging world of technology. Facebook has way long-term plans to counter its competitors like TikTok and YouTube. Of course, they can't do it alone. So Facebook is rolling out exciting ways to make money, and all of these are coming with a focus on creators and entrepreneurs. Facebook is the biggest social media platform, like 3 billion monthly users and 1.96 billion daily active users. You can turn your useless, aimless scrolling and activity on Facebook into a revenue-generating source with minimum effort. But you would be needing a strategy and an understanding of how to earn money on Facebook. I am here to guide you through that. Before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I'm sure nobody would like to miss the latest money-making methods. Let's start the video. There are different ways you can monetize your content or sell products on Facebook. We will be discussing the top 5 and most effective ways you can make money on Facebook. Number 1. InStream Ads. I have selected this Facebook earning strategy first of all as this is my favorite. Facebook made $115 billion in ad revenue for the year 2021. All you need is a Facebook page with some good content that is according to partner monetization policies, and you are all set to go. Let me explain to you how this is going to be possible for you. Facebook includes ads before, after, or in between your videos, and you will get a share of ad revenue. This is just like YouTube monetization. The best thing about these ads is that Facebook algorithm identifies the potential breakpoints in your videos. Ads are placed there as it increases the chances of ad view and conversion, so you don't have to do this yourself. But not all videos and not all countries are eligible for InStream Ads. You can check your page eligibility by going to Creator Studio of your page and then clicking on monetization. Not only does this section provide you overview and status of monetization, but it also provides suggestions and how you can improve your page performance. How much you earn from InStream Ads depends upon the number of video views, your country location, and who the advertisers are. And InStream Ads work best if you make longer videos. Number 2. Add a paid fan subscription to your page. This another way of earning money will not only come with money benefits but also add a number to your loyal fan support. This paid fan subscription is only available on an invitation basis. You will only be invited if you have 10,000 followers or 50,000 post engagement or 180,000 watch time minutes. If your followers are liking your content and you are successful in emotionally engaging them, they can send tips to you. Facebook has made it easy how they will pay you. The star feature by Facebook encourages fans to buy packs of stars and send them as tip to their favorite content creator. Now, if someone is thinking about how it benefits fans, well, fans will be getting special recognition with a special badge that is displayed in their comments, exclusive content, and with discounts on their products and deals. This fan subscription is not only limited to pages, you can charge your followers a monthly paid fee to join your Facebook groups as well. Number 3. Facebook Marketplace and Groups. Marketplace on Facebook is more like a geographic feature. What it means is that you can sell anything from your garden items to cars to the Facebook community in your region. This can bring you a lot of money if done right. This is free for all. Everyone has access to Facebook Marketplace so that anyone can buy, sell, or trade their products. Filters of price and distance for both buyers and sellers are useful enough if you know how to find your customers and sell your things here on Facebook Marketplace. Just like Facebook Marketplace, Facebook buy and sell groups are another option to sell your goods in your region. These groups are made for businesses and have audiences that are potential customers. Just make a post about selling your goods and you will get goods leads for your sales. Number 4. By running Facebook ads. If you have the skill of running targeted Facebook ad, you can earn a lot of money by running Facebook ads for your page or someone's page. Facebook ads are the cheapest way of marketing and you can earn a lot of money out of it. We all know most of the pages are business pages on Facebook that are always in need to reach to customers. Every other business has a Facebook presence now and is aspiring for growth in terms of reach, followers, and likes. This is exactly what Facebook ads can achieve. Sign up for a Facebook ad manager account and you will be able to boost your page or sell your products through Facebook ads. Or you can become a social media manager for organizations and businesses on Facebook. This is a beginner level of work to earn money on Facebook. All you have to do is make posts on Facebook, engage with the audience in comment and message, and increase brand awareness. Traffic redirection. This is not a direct method to earn money on Facebook, but it depends upon the Facebook platform. If you have a page or some group with little or more followers, you can redirect them to your YouTube channel or blog with AdSense enabled. This traffic will generate you money. Even if you don't have your blog or YouTube channel, you can easily get your affiliate link and can redirect traffic to it. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I have made a detailed and step-by-step video on how to earn money with affiliate marketing and ClickBank. You can check this video out on my channel. So, these were the best ways to earn maximum money on Facebook. There are other methods like Facebook page selling, brand content, Facebook Reels bonus, and live stream donations. We will talk about them in another video on Facebook. Till then, make sure to create a Facebook audience by making groups and pages, and don't forget to engage with your audience. And let me know how the video was today. Your suggestions are always welcome. Thanks for watching.